Our experience was with the VOZIQ AI. So I joined the company about 2018, and in 2019 we piloted for the first time doing proactive extensions. And then from the learnings of that pilot, over time that was rolled out, scaled up in 2020, 2021. And, currently we're at a run rate of about, over 50,000 extensions a year proactively. And what that means is something else to think about is like when a proactive extension is done, it's not equivalent to a save because, you're bending the curve of, the unhappy customers to happy customers. And it takes like, 3 to 5, depending on like how risky your customers are and how much the improvement in the curve could be there to generate a save. So the way it's looked at, like from a budgeting standpoint, it will be that like, hey, we're doing a certain amount of extensions in a given time frame. And afterwards, that results in about every 3 or 4 or 5 of those result in a save in the next 12 months or so, right? So, in this case, that's, approximately, over 12,000 saves a year. So that's a pretty sizable enterprise value. And the way that we're kind of measuring that is, getting, over 50,000 actions. And if you're having, and this is again going to depend per company, per what the discount rate of the company is, the spread of the subscribers, the types of offers that are given, and so on. So that would, say if you're using like $200 of like NPV, like value generated per one of these actions, if you're doing, 50,000 plus of them, you're generating more than 10 million values a year. $10 million of value, like in year value. And then if you do this like every year, like going forward, you have a perpetuity of like, $10 million a year, which is like pretty massive in enterprise value terms. So if you're using like a simple, discount rate of 10%, that's an enterprise value of $100 million. So it's a really, really, could be a really massive opportunity.